starts with a step. One person, one path. The solitary figure against the mountain, the cliff, the endless road. It's a conversation between a single wheel and the raw voice of the road. The risk isn't just in the hike or the dark, it's in the choice to go alone. And then you see them, the others who heard the same call, the shared silence at the edge, the collective breath. This is where the trip becomes the story.
Save you when the lights go out.